Hi everyone, welcome to my Akka class channel. Today I am going to read and write about verbs. First one, eat. Second one, drink. Third one, sleep. Fourth one, close. Fifth one, buy. Sixth one, sell. Seventh one, clean. Eighth one, lose. Ninth one, win. Tenth one, use. 11th one, find. 12th one, hide. 13th one, throw. If you know the verbs, let's comment. 14th one, catch. 15th one, stop. 16th one, start. 17th one, forget. 18th one, think. 19th one, smile. 20th, laugh. 21, cry. 22, sing. 23rd, wash. 24th, open. 25th, take. 26th, give. 27, help. 28, play. 29, learn. 30th, save. 31, sit. 32, run. 33, walk. 34, hear. 35, see. 36, write. 37, read. 38, speak. 39, come. 40, go. Thank you for watching video.